Hi you guys, I'm just going to show you a quick video on how to get going on the math worksheet for this week. It's about dividing decimals. So I'm going to start off on question 2. So if you look at this, it says 0.3 is being divided by 0.06. So that means this number is going to go inside the house, and this one is being outside the house, since this is dividing that. So when I set this up, first I want to get rid of the decimals. So I'm going to write it just as it is, that on the outside of the house and this on the inside. We don't want decimals on the outside. We don't want it in our divisor. So we are going to move the decimal place over however many places we need to move it over to get rid of that decimal. In this case, we're going to move it over 2 places. However many times we move it over on the outside, we're going to move it over on the inside. So we're going to move this over 2 places. Now when we rewrite it, we have 6, because our new decimal is here, is dividing 30, because our new decimal is here on our dividend. So now we can say, how many times does 6 go into 30, which is 5 times. That gets us to 30. We subtract. We have a remainder of 0. Bring your decimal up to your answer, and your answer is 5. Let's try it again on number 4. So we have 1.5 is being divided by 0.02. That means 0.02 goes on the outside, and 1.50 goes on the inside. We don't want a decimal on the outside, so we're going to move that decimal over however many places we need to get rid of it. Move the decimal over the same amount of places on the inside. When we rewrite it, we have 2 is dividing 150. When we look at it, break it down even smaller. 2 can go into 15. How many times? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That's 7 times, gets us to 14. When we subtract, we have a remainder of 1. Carry down that 0. Now we have 2 going into 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It goes in 5 times. Subtract. And our new decimal is here. Forgot to write it from before. Bring that decimal place up into your answer. And there's your answer.